So now you can see how it's has onboarding. Tap record button and start speaking. Hi there, this is some random text. I just wanna test Google AI Edge Eloquent app to see the quality of the transcription, whether it deletes all the ums, spaces, waitings, and whether it polishes the transcription. So yeah, I just wanna check it out. So now, as you can see, not only it deletes the ums, the oms, it also replaces the text. It makes English better if you're not native speaker. Um, it gives some stats: 44 words, 102 words per minute. Your average dictation speed, total number of words, 7 edits, and then you can select key points. You can select formal. You can select short, long, and then you can just polish this like that. So quite cool. And then you can see history, and then you can see all your dictionaries. You can also add some settings, and in the top you can turn off, uh, and then if you want you can just use Gemini, but you can completely use this offline without any internet. Super cool.